The Galaxy S24 series has been a massive hit so far, with Samsung receiving an overwhelming number of pre-orders. It's no surprise considering these high-end phones excel in almost every aspect. However, a few users have noticed some issues, and Samsung is determined to address them. One particular concern revolves around the vividness of colors on the screen. Despite selecting the vivid color profile, the Galaxy S24 series doesn't display colors as vibrantly as expected. Samsung intentionally opted for a more accurate color representation rather than exaggerated vividness. However, after receiving feedback from users who desired more vibrant colors, Samsung seems to have had a change of heart. According to Tipster Ice Universe, a new slider will be introduced under the white balance setting, allowing users to adjust the vividness of colors. By increasing this setting, Galaxy S24 users will be able to enjoy colors similar to those found on the Galaxy S23 series. If you're content with the current color profile, there's no need to make any changes. However, if you prefer more vivid colors, you can easily adjust the settings using the upcoming feature. This exciting addition is expected to be released alongside the February 2024 security update, which may also bring improvements to the camera, addressing any minor shortcomings it may have. The latest update for February 2024 has already been rolled out to a select number of Galaxy smartphones and tablets. Samsung has made it clear that they value user feedback and are committed to resolving any camera and screen issues through future software updates. It seems that Samsung has recognized the demand for more vibrant colors in the color profile selection and is providing users with the best possible option to adjust these settings. So, what do you think about this new vivid color matter? Have you encountered the same problem? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to stay tuned for more updates on our channel. Until next time, take care and see you soon.